Happy birthday, Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. Wishing you all the best in everything that you do. I wish you happiness. I wish you good health. Maaaring kayo ngayon ay nag-iisa. Nagdadalamhati sa ginawang paglabag sa inyong karapatan. Subalit ang pahina ng kasaysayan ay hindi nakapirme. Binubuksan. The pages of history will have to be turned. And you will find yourself free and most likely sitting in the Senate and advocating for your advocacies, which you have accomplished when you were still outside the prison. Ang inyong kalungkutan ay mapapalitan ng kasiyahan. Ang inyong paghihirap ay tatanggap ng pagyakap, pagtanggap at pagmamahal ng taong bayan, lalong-lalo na yung inyong mga tinulungan. So sa inyong 75 kaarawan, kami po ay nananalangin sa inyong mabilis na paglaya at sa inyong matagumpay na pagpapanalo bilang senador ng bansa. Happy birthday, Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy, and let me sing to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pastor.